How to get rid of pimples or acne naturally with 3 super effective herbal remedies. Pimples or acne are very common skin problems which can occur on the face, neck, shoulders, chest, and back. It usually occurs when there is an increase in the production of sebum due to hormonal changes or genetic factors. This excess oil can clog your pores and hair follicles, which results in pimples or acne breakouts. If left untreated, these pimples or acne can leave scars and marks on your skin, which can be very hard to get rid of. Today in this video, we will share 3 super effective and natural herbal remedies to help you cure pimples or acne fast at home. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel for future updates. Also, please like and share this video after watching it if you find it helpful. First, dandelion tea tree oil. Dandelion tree oil is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent, which can be used to treat pimples or acne naturally. It also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, due to which it helps to prevent further multiplication of bacteria around the pimples or acne, thus giving you clear and spotless skin. The high concentration of terpenoid in tea tree oil makes it one of the most effective ingredients to get rid of pimples or acne. Not only it kills the bacteria inside the clogged pores, but also reduces redness and swelling. You can use tea tree oil topically by applying it directly to the affected area. For this, you need a cotton swab or a cotton ball. Take a few drops of tea tree oil on it and apply on the pimples or acne. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. You may also mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a teaspoonful of honey and apply this paste on the pimples or acne and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. You can also add 5 to 7 drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo or face wash for added benefits. Second, aloe vera. Aloe vera is another amazing ingredient which can be used to treat pimples or acne. Due to its potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera helps in getting rid of pimples or acne scars, redness, puffiness, and pain. It also prevents future breakouts and heals the skin faster. The antibacterial properties of aloe vera fight off the bacteria which cause pimples or acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling caused by pimples or acne, and its antifungal properties prevent the fungal growth which can worsen the condition of pimples or acne. To use aloe vera for treating pimples or acne, you need to first remove the outer skin of an aloe vera leaf and take out the transparent gel inside. Apply this gel directly on the pimples or acne and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also consume aloe vera juice orally at a dose of 1 tablespoon 3 times a day to get rid of pimples or acne from inside out. Please note that the consumption of aloe vera must be approved by your doctor. Third, Indian lilac or jamwant. Indian lilac, also known as jamwant in Marathi, is a powerful herb which can be used to get rid of pimples or acne naturally. Its leaves and flowers have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties which can help in treating pimples or acne, redness, swelling, irritation, and scars. The antimicrobial property of Indian lilac prevents the growth of microorganisms and gets rid of pimples or acne. Its anti-inflammatory property reduces redness and swelling caused by pimples or acne, and its antioxidant property protects the skin from free radicals and promotes healthy skin cells. You can use Indian lilac into ways to treat pimples or acne. First, you can make a paste by crushing its leaves or flowers, and then apply this paste on the pimples or acne and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. Second, you can also consume Indian lilac powder. For this, you need to take 1 teaspoonful of Indian lilac powder and mix it in a glass of water. Stir it well and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning or at night. You can also add this powder to your food or drinks. Apart from these 3 super effective natural remedies, you should also follow a few tips to get rid of pimples or acne fast. Let's discuss these 5 tips in detail. First, cleanse your face in the morning and at night. Cleansing your face is a most important step because it rinses off all the dirt, oil, bacteria, and other impurities of your skin. For this, use a mild face wash and lukewarm water. Do not use hot water because it can dry out your skin and worsen the condition of pimples or acne. After cleansing your face, pat it gently with a clean towel and avoid scrubbing or drying your skin because it can irritate your skin and promote more sebum production. Second, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin healthy and naturally beautiful. It helps in removing toxins from your body, which otherwise can show up on your skin in the form of pimples or acne. So try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice or a pinch of chia seeds or watermelon seeds to add some flavor to your drinking water. Third, eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, Nuts and seeds can provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals to keep your skin healthy. A balanced diet also includes healthy sources of fat such as avocados, olive oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil. Avoid processed and junk foods because they can lead to high blood sugar levels, which can trigger more sebum production and promote pimples or acne. Fourth, avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol can dehydrate your skin and make pimples or acne worse. They also reduce the blood flow to your skin, which can slow down the healing process of pimples or acne. Fifth, protect yourself from the sun. Sun exposure can worsen the condition of pimples or acne, so always use sunscreen whenever you go out in the sun and protect yourself from sun rays. Following all these tips and using the natural remedies shared in this video will surely help you to get rid of pimples or acne fast and naturally. Also, please let us know in the comment section below if you have used any of these natural remedies or followed any of these tips to treat pimples or acne. We wish you a very healthy and happy life ahead. Stay fit, stay fine.